Welcome to my channel. I'm going to do the radiator change on 2008 2013 Toyota Highlander, and basically you can see it, all the ripping here, it is right there, all the leak they come from radiators. You see all the shooting here, that thing right there, they've been leaking from that way. So yep, the part just barely come, so let me start it. Big hose, and I got an oil line right here, 1 2 oil line. So make sure you got to install it. There's some transmission oil, so you know sometimes they ran out a little bit. You can add it up. So coolant is here. So yep, so far already good, look good. So Yeah, if you guys like it, give me thumb up and subscribe below. I appreciate it. Thank you for watching.